all need help somewhere along the way, and I think this is my way of giving back.
I don't have the adjectives to fully state accurately how great they have been for me and the entire community. It's one of the great organizations in our country.
This is my third Rebuilding Together event, and what I love to see is, we're starting fresh, right? So we want to see what's the final result. So as we go and you see the homeowners' response as they see the paint coming up, the grass getting cut, the flower beds being decorated, it's just that awesome feel of knowing that you've brightened their day.
Heartwarming and exhilarating, and very grateful, very grateful. It's a great experience and a blessing.
I love the feeling of satisfaction knowing that I've done something for the reason that it helps someone else, not because it benefits me. I mean, obviously, we don't get paid for this. We love it, and because people deserve it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thanking the Creator for making you all available to me.